to our channel Sillytech Talk. Getting started a career in the data science. Wow, data science. What is data science? A data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, machine learning principles with the goal to discover the hidden pattern from the raw data. Such a thing is a very nice. Well, get into the data science, we know about the model of V model. That model is used for everywhere in the business organization. What does a data analyst do? A business administration, the data analyst has been sent. Then move on to the machine learning and advanced algorithms can be used by data analyst and make a product of engineering. Made that product as a complete through the data analyst. Such a thing is a very impact in the business organization. Who is the data scientist? See, data scientists or several definitions available on the data scientist. A simple word, a data scientist is the one who practices the art of data science. The term data science has been coined after considering the impact that the data scientists draw a lot of information from the scientific field and applications. Where it is the statistics or mathematics. See guys, let's take it into the statistic point. The rank correlation is a major thing in the statistics. Such a correlation we have to know about the variables of variance and instance. Such a thing is used in the data scientist. We can make every raw material into the complete data product. How does the data scientist work in Uber? See guys, I already told about the V model. A first step in the V model is the business requirement. In that business requirement, we have a dynamically modules has been used. In the requesting, a lot of people are requesting in the same area. See, after getting into the data collection, a collection of weather details, picking and dropping details, traffic has been calculated. The data cleaning is the third step. The data is collected and the restaurant names etc. are included that the clean increases the efficiency. The data explorations and analysis. The brainstem data. That is nothing but we need to get a correct analysis of the report based on the 3 steps. After getting to the 5th step, a data model is doing on. In that, the machine learning model is incorporated. Such a way, the data modeling is doing on. The step 6. Data validation. After collecting of all the data, let's move on into the algorithm. It validates everything if get the root from the user and historical with 1. So that where the data scientist works in the data validation process. The 7th step, a deployment and optimization. That means the customer feedback is received and issues are fixed. Such is a complete process with a clear example about the data scientist work in the Uber. As the same thing, the using of V model, we have to know about the requirement, data collection and exploring analysis. Modeling has been used, algorithm has been used, the data validation is come under and deployment optimization is doing on throughout the business to business organization. This is the real fact is going out. As a theme, must of the data scientists have been applied the mathematics is the key thing and the statistics and the scientific method. While get into the point of scientific, we have a range of weather into various fields. We need to get the information. Such a thing is used in the Google Map, Google Weather nowadays. We get easy through by using of the data scientist. Such a way of doing or extracting the insight from the data using the predictive analysis, using artificial intelligence or deep learning. Get into the visual reality also. Using of snapshot, we have so much of visual reality things has been under. With the help of data scientists, is the real thing and real example. We need to have a get clear view about that. Right application that automatic the data processing, calculator and the story has been making a decision makers. The stakeholders are understand the stock market things by using the data analyst report. Explain how does research can be used to resolve the business problem. Yeah, the data scientist must be able to do everything while in the world a wide range of tools to evaluate and prepare the data. This is a real fact. The data analysis versus data engineer or a data scientist, see everywhere is correlated, but there is some slight of differences. How we have to find on it. Analysis is how to analyze the thing of the data and use to help the company. Engineers are preparing the data and develop the testing and maintenance of the complete architect. The data scientist is doing that, the complex of the big data, get into the realizing of easy path who organizations and data analysis is needed. Such a thing is correlated with each other, but there is some difference in that if you get into the insight. The industries with the data science is in demand. Yeah, of course. If you get into the Amazon, Google, or such a big company like Facebook, Cognizant, or TCS, or Accenture, we have a retailed process is going begin on it. Wherever you go, you make a leadership connect while getting to the company. A first thing is a question asked: retail. Retail is the most prominent in the business organization. Healthcare, politics, or automobiles, railways, and finance, telecommunications are the major demand. Data scientist tool. A data scientist tool we have prominent is R and Python. Python we know about a general purpose and object oriented high level programming language. The simplest language is a Python nowadays. R is a source of open source programming language and popular language in the data science. A broad varieties of library and tools has been cleaning and preparing of data, creating visualizations and reacting into the deep learning algorithms. This is a prominent tool. We have so much of version like RStudio and so on. The things to remember before choosing the data science: pick a language stick with IT, get a comfortable of process the data, and a good presentation and communication skill. Understand your industries, establish your portfolio with the patient project. This is the thing to be in. Get a view about the data science here. Move on into a lot of things with the data science in the coming up video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks to Sillytech.